Mohenjo-daro, also called Mount of the Dead City, situated on present-day Pakistan, beside the river of Indus, discovered by R.D. Banerjee, 922 AD. Now we discuss characteristic of Mohenjo-daro. Here we see bronze dancing girl with 10.5 cm tall standing in confident pose. Now we see beard man, another sculpture having an closed eyes, which is indicating a posture of meditation. It is also called priest. Now we see the Great Bath, which is located on Citadel Complex, 12 cm by 7 cm with the maximum depth of 2.4 cm, used for ritual purpose. Now we see the seal of Pashupati Mahadev, surrounded by elephant, tiger, rhino, buffalo, deer. All animals are worshipped.